viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a special recipe. Tomorrow is Onam, so we are going to see a festival recipe today, that is Ada Pradaman. This is Kerala special recipe. Before going into the recipe, I hope you would have all enjoyed watching our videos. If you would have liked our videos, kindly press the like button, do share my videos and to subscribe to my channel without forgetting to press the bell icon, so that you will get all the notification instantly if you choose the all option. So let's begin with the ingredients now. To make this Ada Pradaman, I have taken 1/4 cup of Ada. This is rice Ada, ready-madely available in the supermarket. I have taken 1/4 cup of the Ada, washed and soaked it in boiling water for half an hour. After half an hour, I have drained all the water and I washed this Ada in cold water for 2 to 3 times. By doing this, it prevents sticking. Then I have taken 1 cup of thick coconut milk. This is taken from 1 full coconut, that is 1 cup. Then 1.5 cups of thin coconut milk. This is the second and the third coconut milk mixed together. Next, for quarter cup of Ada, I have taken 1 cup of jaggery, melted it and turned it into a syrup. Then I have taken few cashews and raisins. Then finely chopped coconut bits for garnishing. In a pan, I have added ghee, and to this ghee I have added coconut bits and fry them until they turn golden brown. Now let's start frying them. Now the coconut bits have turned golden brown, so we'll remove them from the flame and keep it aside. Now again we'll add ghee and add the cashews now and saute them until they turn golden brown, and after that we will add raisins now and we'll saute them also until they puff up and remove them. In the same pan I have added little bit more ghee, and once the ghee is hot, we are going to add the soaked Ada and we are going to fry this Ada in medium flame. Once the Ada is fried now, it is fried for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we'll add the jaggery syrup and let this Ada boil in the syrup for about 5 minutes, so we'll absorb all the flavors. So after 5 minutes, the Ada is well boiled in the jaggery syrup. At this stage, we'll be adding the thin coconut milk, that is the second and the third coconut milk mixed together, and let it boil with this coconut milk for about 5 to 7 minutes. So it will absorb all the flavor now. Let's see after 5 to 7 minutes. Now the Ada is well boiled in the thin coconut milk and the jaggery syrup. So at this stage we are going to add the thick coconut milk now. So we will switch off the flame and then add the thick coconut milk. We should not boil after adding the thick coconut milk. If you do so, the payasam will begin to curdle. So once you add it, you should switch off the flame and mix well. Now it's time for garnishing. So let's garnish our payasam. So initially we will add cardamom powder. I have added 1 to 2 teaspoons of cardamom powder, and then the cashews and raisins which we fried, followed by the coconut bits we fried in the ghee. Then I'll add a pinch of edible camphor. Adding edible camphor enhances the taste of the payasam very much. A pinch is required. So our delicious Onam special Ada Pradaman is ready to serve now. The payasam will look thin now. Once it cools down, it will get thicker. So our festival recipe is ready for serving. It's a perfect festival recipe. So we shall serve our Ada Pradaman now. Friends, our tasty Ada Pradaman is ready in minutes. Do try this recipe and give your feedback in the comments. If you would have liked our video, kindly press the like button, share our video and do subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and choose all option in that, so that you will get all our notifications instantly. You will not miss out any videos. And regarding the description, I have given a detailed description in the description box. I'll see you in another good episode. Until then, bye